In this video, I'm going to show you how to see real estate value updates in Origin Financial. Let's get started. Start by clicking the plus button on your Origin dashboard. Then choose Add Your Property. This allows you to connect your home using Origin's Zillow integration so the platform can begin tracking your estimated property value automatically. Enter your property details, select the correct home listing, and finish adding it to your account. Once the property is connected, your home value will start appearing directly on the main dashboard as part of your total net worth and asset summary. Origin updates this home valuation monthly, so you can keep track of changes without entering anything manually. To view the actual value updates over time, open Net Worth from your dashboard, then click the property at the bottom. This displays your home's Zestimate trend, showing how the property value has moved month by month. You can use this to monitor appreciation, compare previous valuations, and understand how your real estate asset is affecting your overall financial picture inside Origin Financial. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.